Hello, welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to break down two Kali Linux tools that will enable you to hack any Android, phone, whatever the case may be. However, this is a disclaimer. Please use these tools ethically. Do not use these tools for nefarious or illegal reasons. This is strictly for educational purposes only. So the first Kali Linux tool we have is Amith, which is a powerful open source remote administration tool, RAT, right? Designed for Android devices that can be installed and used on Kali Linux. It allows users to remotely access and control Android devices, enabling them to gather sensitive information such as geographical location, personal messages, and even access the device's microphone and camera. So the key features of Amith include the file management, key logging, remote access to microphone and camera, access to call logs and SMS, device GPS location tracking, APK payload binding compatibility. So Amith consists of two main components. You have the server side, which is a desktop application built with the Electron framework, serving as the control panel for the attacker. You have the client side, which is an Android application written in Smalley, which acts as a backdoor on the victim's device. Now, before I talk about how to use it, hit that subscribe button and the like button right now. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button if you're gaining value and you're educated and entertained. So you're gonna want to install Amith on Kali Linux. Open a terminal and run the following commands. Peter, please put that code on the screen. When prompted, select the Open JDK, right? Launch Amith. So run npm, start in the terminal, or use the command Amith if you installed it as a binary. Generate a malicious APK. So in the Amith interface, choose to generate a new infected APK or inject a payload into an existing APK. Set the local IP address and port for the connection. Now build the APK. So click the build button to generate the infected APK, and then you're going to want to distribute the malicious APK. So transfer the generated APK to the target Android device and install it and establish a connection. So once the infected APK is installed and launched on the target device, it will connect back to your Kali Linux machine. Control the target device. Use the Amith interface to access various features like GPS location tracking, camera access, and file retrieval. Now the next tool we have is Drozer, whatever you want to call it, right? It's a Kali Linux tool, and it is a comprehensive security testing framework for Android applications that can be installed and used on Kali Linux. It allows security researchers, ethical hackers, and penetration testers to assess the security of Android devices and applications by simulating attacks and identifying potential vulnerabilities. So the key features of Drozer, whatever you want to call it, on Kali Linux include the vulnerability scanning. So Drozer enables users to scan Android apps for common security flaws such as weak cryptography, data leakage, and insecure communication. We have interaction with Android components, so it allows testers to interact with various components of Android apps, analyze permissions, and test for exposure to different attack vectors. Then you have the module-based approach, right? Drozer provides a wide range of modules designed to identify and exploit specific vulnerabilities in Android apps. You have the emulation of native Android applications. It can assume the role of a native Android app and interact with the Dalvik virtual machine, other apps, IPC endpoints, and the underlying operating system. So to use Drozer on Android phones, follow these steps. Install Drozer on your computer, whether it's Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, right? Install the Drozer Agent app on your Android device or emulator. Enable USB debugging on your Android device and connect it to your computer. Now, start the Drozer agent on your Android device and turn on the embedded server. Set up port forwarding on your computer using ADB. Peter, please put the code on the screen. Launch the Drozer console on your computer. Peter, please put the code on the screen. Once connected, you can use various browser commands to analyze and test Android applications. Now, here are some common browser commands, and Peter, please put them on the screen as I say them. You have the list, right? That displays available browser modules. You have the run app.package.list, which lists all installed applications. You have the run app.package.info, which is -a. The package name, which is, you can get package information. The run and the app.package attack surface, right? To identify the attack surface. You can check exported activities with the run app.activity.info. You can, the component, you have the run app.activity.start. You can start an activity with the component underscore name feature. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you gained value, if you learned how to hack ethically an Android phone or application using these two tools, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Also, is there a better tool out there that can be used to hack ethically Android phones or applications? Please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.